Hello, traders. We're back again to check what the market holds for us this new week. We've had quite some good moves in the market last week. We saw wonderful moves with gold. Um, most of the analysis we did, we saw price action changed basically on a daily close level, and we've seen some new moves in the market, which we're looking at and I'll be looking at even for this week. We're looking at the week this week of beginning April 27th to the 1st of May. We're going to a new month from then. So quickly, without any further ado, let's go straight to the business of today. I'm looking at the GBP USD chart, the pound dollar chart on the weekly time frame. And from what we've seen here, we've seen price come into this resistance and has given us rejection. I expected price to go higher, but we've seen prices close like an engulfing, a bearish engulfing candle, somewhat like an evening star. And from what we have here on the weekly, we could anticipate prices still trying to retest the lows at 1.2360. Price has closed at one sorry 1.2360. That's where price closed. I'm looking at the the low at 1.2161. Sorry for that slip. So we're looking at prices coming back to test this support at 1.2161. We could look at it on a daily basis and see what price most likely will do on a daily close basis. Now, if you look at price action, we've had quite reduced momentum to the upside, and most likely we'll see prices coming to retest these lows before we will think to go any higher. So basically, if you're going to trade this, you're looking for bearish moves first of all, or you wait for the retest of the 1.2161 handle. We could still go lower, looking at the 4-hour time frame and using small mini trend lines to see if there's a break and close below the trend line. Let me draw one from this low across this up here. So if we see a break and close below this trend line, we'll know we can then we see a break and close and see a retest of the trend line, then you go lower down here. At this point, what we're looking out for is any reversal. If you have a reversal around here, I'd say you trade back to this resistance. Will most likely look like being in a range for the pound dollar pair. Let's look at the pound Canadian dollar. For the pound Canadian dollar, starting from the weekly time frame, from my analysis for last week, I said based on the fact that we've tested these highs twice, I expected a brief retest of the highs and come lower, but we've come quite lower and had rejection around the support at the support is at 1.2360. 7400 handle. We've seen some rejection there. Let's look at the daily to look at what we most likely will be doing. Basically, based on price action, I expect price to come into the support at 1.7110, no, 7120 area. That's where I'm looking forward to price getting to. Price would invariably come down to form a Gartley pattern. Now, let me just quickly draw my fibs here. Yeah, we might have a Gartley pattern. So prices would most likely get into 1.6830 area for a Gartley, or could even go lower. But basically, first of all, let's see price. Let me take this off. Let's see price get to these lows at 1.7110 area, and subsequently, based on price action, see price getting to the 1.6810 area. The next I'll be looking at is gold. For gold, last week we had quite spot on analysis on it. I said we were expecting prices to come down to retest these lows at the 1.66 area, which prices did before we have a retest. And what we have here, based on price action, is reduced momentum to the upside. And we now have a double top at this resistance level. So now I'm looking forward to prices coming down into the zone. Basically coming down to 1681 area for, yeah, 1681 area, not just for the week, but um, uh, we could see bounces off this area, but we could even go a bit lower than that. But basically, I'm looking at price coming down to hit the 1681 area. How do we trade this? We look forward to taking a 10 pip sell stop. We have a low at 1710, so 10 pip sell stop should be at 1709, and we'll just look forward to price coming into this 1681 area. We could even go below that, but let's see prices get here first and see what price does around here before we test this zone. Uh, Based on price action, you follow me on Telegram, you see how we look at prices as they close on a daily basis. The next I'll be looking at is the USD Canadian dollar. For this pair, we're looking forward to prices come down into the 1.36 or 1.3700 area, but price has not done that on the weekly. On the weekly, from what we have here on the weekly time frame, we might see price still go higher because we had reduced momentum and the reversal candle here, and we've seen prices open higher, uh, closed not higher than the highs, but closed higher than the close of 2 weeks ago, and have a new high form. We can look at it on daily time frame and see if it's possible to still go higher. What we have here looks somewhat like a doji. Right now, we might look at something that looks like forming an inverted head and shoulders pattern here. So basically, we could go either way. We could still go lower and we could still go higher. But what price has done here we could place a buy stop, a 20p buy stop above the high. The high is at 1.4120. We can place a 20p buy stop at 1.4140 area and look forward to price get to the highs here at 1.4240, and most likely trading uh, a head and shoulders pattern will be going higher than that. I'm looking forward to retest this highs at 1.4595 area. The next I'll be looking at is the USD Japanese yen. For this pair, we've had more like a range. It has been range bound for quite some time. And what we have here on the daily, uh, would look forward to price using uh, trend lines, looking for the price breaking below the trend line and going lower. Uh, I'll be looking forward to price getting to 105.410 area, giving us a 0.618 move from these highs here. But for now, if you can't trade this, why look forward to trading it? But I see more of a range until we see that break and close below the trend line around this area. If we draw that trend line around this area, once we see a break and close below that trend line, then we look forward to trading it lower. Let's see if we can look at the euro dollar pair. For this also we've had some wonderful moves, and what we have here, I also said we should look at prices coming down to retest these lows, what prices have done. Now we've had someone like a piercing pattern on the daily, giving us the indication that price is likely to go higher and higher. I'm looking forward to price getting to 1.0945 area first of all, and see what prices. If we have a reversal there, then we'll look forward to other as prices we look at as it is on a daily basis. But my first part of um, exit from the buys, but if I because I'm looking for prices going long, is the 1.0945 area. And with that said, that will be that for this week. Uh, we still keep safe, trade safely. Remember, what I've shared here is for educational purposes. You need to take good financial advice to put your money out there in the forex market. If this video has been beneficial to you, click the like button, subscribe so you'll be notified whenever I put up such videos uh, on a weekly basis. And you could still follow me on Telegram to look at how we look at prices as they close on a daily basis and stay profitable by it. You can share this also on your various trading platforms. Uh, that would be very wonderful of you. And with that said, that would that for this week. See you in the next video. Bye for now.